guys, a lot's happened since the last video. I've had COVID, recovered from COVID, did the Copper Sky Trail, which was an awesome event for my first mountain race. I was well pleased with the result, finished about 40th out of about 85 people, so mega happy with that. And today I'm doing my first recce, the UTS 50, so we're doing half the route today. And yeah, not too bad, a bit windy today, a bit chilly on the hands, but overall fairly nice day for the mountains anyway. So yeah, I will catch up with you all in a bit. Barris over there, that's where we started this morning, and we're just following the trails. Hi guys, we're about 15k into the recce. We've just done a very long, I suppose about 5k-ish road section, which was quite punishing on the legs, so just beginning to climb again. So just about 8 or 9k left for the day, one big climb left, and that'll be it for the recce. So far so good, feeling a little tired, but I guess that's to be expected after a light recovery week after the Copper Trail. But yeah, weather's just about holding, a little bit windy and cold on the top. We've had a few drizzle patches, but nothing too serious. The trail that I've done so far, you know, most of the flats and downhills very runnable, so all good. For me, that road bit, you know, will make the pacing interesting. How easy to take it on the road section to save the legs when they're pounding or being pounded. So we will see. So just stopping here for a quick snack, bit of a drink, and then we'll crack on again. So you can see where we've come from, down into the village, and then we're just climbing again. But as you can see, visibility today is pretty good. Hi guys, so we're out again today, back-to-back days, a little bit different today. So we're not doing a recce for UTS 50, we're just spending a day out in the hills. So parked at near Ogwyn Cottage, and we're just spending a day on the Carneddau. It's been many years since I've been up the Carneddau. You know, if Snowdonia is busy, you can always find solitude here. It's always nice and quiet, and you can have a good day out. Weather's not as good as yesterday. As you can see, visibility isn't the best. Just a few sheep for company, and the odd goat. The odd goat for company. So we're just spending a nice time walking rather than running today, and just chilling out a bit. So might try to improve some of our downhill technique with some runs downhill if the opportunity presents. But yeah, just having a nice chilled out day today. Speak to you guys in a bit. Yeah, one other bit. So today we're in the VJ Maxx's. So we've been trying those out. Oh, and for that first scramble, when you're just clambering up the rocks, Oh, the grip on these is phenomenal. So I was in the speed goats yesterday, and for that road section they were awesome, but going up and down the scrambles on the rocks today, these seem to be definitely the business. So we'll keep wearing them, see what happens, and I'll let you know at the end. We're still on the Carneddau, and still down in the mist, still just a few sheep for company. I mean, when the weather's like this, it's pretty awesome, you know. You can't hear anyone, you can't see anyone. It just feels like you're the only person in Snowdonia. So I can thoroughly recommend that, you know, don't always let the weather put you off, because you can have some great trips out when it's like this. So I'm going to keep plodding on for a bit and catch up with you soon. So here we are on just in the shelter on top of Carneddau, just taking a couple of minutes out of the wind. I'm sure you can hear it, but just in case you can't, listen to that. So a fairly windy day up here, so we'll take a couple of minutes and then start the walk back down. So yeah, all good. Speak to you soon. Hi guys, it's now been just under a week since I've got back from Snowdonia, so it's given me some time to dry out from that very wet and windy Sunday over the Carneddau. It was a great weekend, got some good training in, recce'd the first half of UTS 50 on the Saturday, and then just went round and walked round the Carneddau on the Sunday, which is a route that I've been meaning to do for quite a long time. As always, I've put the links in the description below to the Komoot routes that I did. And yeah, interesting weekend. You know, I'm beginning to think that I may be crazy for entering the UTS 50. That first half recce did make me realise that it's going to be quite tough. So we'll see how we get on. I've got a few weeks left of training to go, and so that will definitely be very important. And I'll try and post another video to let you know how that goes. So in the meantime, stay safe in the mountains, and I'll catch up to you all soon. Please like and subscribe if you found any of the content helpful. Thanks.